Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Nikki from Team Gyan Kshetra. And today I would be discussing about the new notification which has been issued by NBE regarding your MCC or the centralized counseling process. As we all are waiting for the results to be announced, it is estimated that the results is expected shortly, maybe end of September or by 5th of October. Post that your counseling session for the year 2021, which has been so much delayed, would start finally. So today NBE has released the notice regarding the counseling process or what are the type of colleges and the university who would be taking part in MCC counseling. So number one, they have said that the schedule for the same would be released shortly, which would be uploaded on the MCC website. So please keep following the MCC website for any further notification regarding your schedule, about the rules and regulations, about your security deposits and everything. Now coming to who all are part of your MCC centralized counseling process. So सबसे पहले MCC counseling होता है तो उसमें कौन से यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, कौन से कॉलेजेस अटेंड पार्सल होते हैं. सबसे पहले you get to fill the 50% all India quota government medical college seats. This year they have said that JNK would also be part of your 50% all India quota counseling, but it is still subject to the approval from the respective state authorities. तो कुछ भी confirm नहीं है, but हो सकती है. Secondly, all of your central universities 100% seats are under the control of MCC, whether वो institutional quota हो या वो 50% all India quota हो, 100% of the seat की counseling MCC करवाएगा. Now, what are central institutes? Basically, your BHU, AMU, Delhi University, etc. are your central institutes. तो उसकी 100% seats की counseling in terms of their institutional quota, taking care of the institutional quota rules and regulations, eligibility would be done by the MCC themselves. Number third is your deemed university. So deemed university की 100% seats, whether it is for NRI quota or your management/paid seat, would be done by the central government, that is MCC. डायरेक्ट कॉलेज में कोई एडमिशन नहीं होता है. इट इज कम्प्लीटली अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ MCC. कॉलेज के हाथ में कोई सीट नहीं होती है. नंबर फोर्थ कैटेगरी इज ऑल द PG सीट्स of your employee state insurance corporation, that is ESIC medical colleges की सीटों की काउंसलिंग भी MCC करेगा. Number fifth is your central institutes like your VMMC and VMMC Safdarjung and RML की 100% seats की counseling would be done by MCC for both 50% all India plus 50% institutional quota. Also they have mentioned that AFMS की जो registration है would be done on the MCC website, only the registration part. The counseling you have to go physically to AFMC Pune for the same part. And lastly, a very big change which is coming from this academic year, that is the DNB counseling. So from the year 2021, DNB counseling would not be a set alone process. DNB from this academic year is clubbed with your MCC centralized counseling process almost for your 100% seats. What is written in the notification, this judgment was passed last year only. The civil writ petition, that was a writ petition actually 11011/2020. So according to this judgment, 100% of the DNB seats would be done by your central government, that is MCC, for all the hospitals which are affiliated with NBEMS. राइट. सो अब DNB के लिए फ्रॉम दिस ईयर आपको कोई अलग से फॉर्म नहीं भरना है. जो कंफ्यूजन होता था वेदर यू शुड बी टेकिंग DNB और यू शुड बी गोइंग विद योर डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज, और बहुत लेट होता था DNB की काउंसलिंग. सो फ्रॉम दिस एकेडमिक ईयर दिस इज गोइंग टू चेंज, एंड ऑल्सो with this change there would be lot of changes in your counseling process. So guys, please अपनी counseling process बहुत अच्छे से करिए. This year you will not be getting a chance to choose between DNB भी भर दिया और ये भी कर दिया. So you have to actually streamline your counseling process this year. So this is what the news is all about. We would be coming with all the more new videos जैसे ही कुछ latest update आता है. Till then, if you have not still subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do subscribe. And if you still have any doubts, please reach out us at 011-450-81755, or you can Google us out at www.gyankshetra.com. Till then, all the best for your NEET PG results.